Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are committed to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how websites, mobile apps, and online platforms can support millions of users at the same time without slowing down? How do companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Facebook continue serving users around the clock? One of the key technologies behind this is cloud infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure is the combination of servers, storage, networking, virtualization, and software that powers cloud computing services. Instead of relying on a single physical computer, businesses use cloud infrastructure to run applications, store data, and deliver services over the internet. One of the biggest benefits of cloud infrastructure is reliability. If one server experiences a problem, another can immediately take over, keeping websites and applications available with little or no downtime. Another important benefit is scalability. Businesses can increase or reduce computing resources based on demand. Whether serving 100 users or 1 million, cloud infrastructure makes it possible to grow without replacing an entire IT system. Cloud infrastructure also improves security. Modern cloud platforms include advanced security features such as encryption, identity management, firewalls, monitoring, automated backups, and disaster recovery, helping organizations protect their valuable data. Another major advantage is cost efficiency. Businesses no longer need to invest heavily in expensive hardware or maintain large data centers. Instead, they pay only for the cloud resources they use, making technology more affordable and flexible. Today, cloud infrastructure powers online banking, e-commerce platforms, healthcare systems, educational platforms, government services, artificial intelligence, streaming platforms, and countless other digital services that people depend on every day. As organizations continue migrating to the cloud, professionals with cloud infrastructure skills are becoming increasingly valuable. Cloud engineers, cloud architects, DevOps engineers, system administrators, and infrastructure engineers are among the most in-demand professionals in today's technology industry. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical cloud infrastructure training that equips learners with hands-on experience in cloud platforms, virtualization, networking, storage, deployment, monitoring, and infrastructure management. Our practical approach prepares you to solve real-world technology challenges with confidence. Our mission is not only to teach technology, but to help you become self-reliant. The practical skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure rewarding employment, work remotely for international companies, provide cloud solutions to businesses, become an independent cloud consultant, or establish your own technology company. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve lasting financial independence. The future of technology is built on the cloud, and there has never been a better time to develop cloud infrastructure skills. By learning today, you're preparing yourself for exciting opportunities in one of the fastest growing areas of technology. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful future in technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit frelotex.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach technology. We empower people with practical skills that create careers, build businesses, generate sustainable income, and transform lives.